Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. Want to get things updated after today. Pretty crazy day, and it ultimately turned out nicely for the bulls. I don't mean to repeat myself here, but just to kind of reiterate, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see the opening 30 minutes were not good. Yeah, the price gapped up, but after that, the price fell. And you can see this was all occurring on pretty big volume. And things were just not looking good. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls were able to level things off for the remainder of the day. And then late day, the price started to, turn itself back upwards, including the final 30 minutes being denoted by that candle right there, and you got a nice, green candle. Now, does this mean that this thing's headed up to 15 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that from the way the thing started on the day with the gap and trap and with the price all the way down there, and then to see things, essentially close, near these highs, good solid day. But that brings up the question of, is this the start of something bigger? And that all now boils down to these levels of resistance. I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but if it is the start of something bigger, then the price is going to have to be able to fight up above these levels of resistance. First one right up here at 11.5 cents, and then the next one up there at 12 cents. For those of you that have been watching the videos from the past, you've heard me talk about these levels. But yeah, they still pertain to the chart. And once again, you can see the price got right up around that 11.5 cent area right there. And once again, it held as resistance like it's done several times in the past. And once again, assuming there's no gap downs or anything tomorrow, it looks like the price is getting ready to do battle with it again. And these are not like any sort of secret discoveries on my part. Anybody that uses charts is going to be wondering the same thing about this 11.5 cent mark because there is quite a bit of a history with it. So yeah, can the price finally break above it? And not only break above it, but also, stay up above it. And in that event, then that's where you can turn your focus to the 12 cent mark, but one step at a time. And that first step is definitely at 11.5 cents. But yeah, very nice turnaround on the day. And we'll see if the bulls can build upon that late day momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.